Your name, sir?
Vincent Lambert.
Thank you.
This time there's no offer from my client, so we request to waive and seek an offer of service.
He's waiving his right to preliminary examination.
That's correct.
Is that right, sir? So you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
I guess so.
Well,
Yes, Your Honor.
you know what you're doing, sir?
Yes, I do. I don't know why my answer got to be so direct, but yes, I am.
Why what? Why what has to be so direct?
Why my answers have to be so direct, but yes, I am waiving my right for a preliminary.
You know what? You better check your attitude with me.
Answering your question, sir.
You can go back. I'll see him. I'll see him in a minute. Mr. Belvisi, check your client. Because not to. Oh, wow. Okay, bring him back here. You're in contempt. That's 30 days. You got anything else to say? Anything else you want to tell me?
You guys are just like.
Anything else you want to tell me?
Yes, I do.
What? You better watch your mouth because you're going to get another 30. You're going to get another 30. What else do you want to tell me?
Nothing at this time, Your Honor. I apologize.
Thank you. You are on your way out. We'll bring him back later, maybe. That it? That's that block? What's my next block? 1 o'clock?
Yeah. Oh, except for.
I was ready to go.
Are you recalling?
Who? Your neighbor?
It's not. I don't know why you did it.
No. Did you say who am I recalling?
Lambert.
Oh, Lambert. I thought you said will you be my neighbor? I'm like, no. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness. How are you? I'm okay. They've all been treating me badly. Mr. Belvisi? Your client? So he's got his 30 days contempt. We had him taken back down. He's not coming back up. I'll just adjourn this out. You can let him go.
Your Honor, he does have another CC on the.
Does he? Oh.
So if we want to go.
Oh. What's that charge?
It's possession of meth.
Oh. Now, plot thickens, explains a lot. It's so he said on May 9th on those? Because I was just going to put this one out till after his contempt is served.
Yeah, he said I'm not just that one. 4-5-5.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just adjourn these out to June 6th. And then we'll see how he acts on May 9th and we'll figure it out from there. Welcome. All right, what are we doing on this case?
Judge, I'm asking for a last PCC. I did have communication with the prosecutor who appeared on the case last time. We ordered some extra discovery, that being body-worn camera and surveillance camera video. We did receive it, but not all of it, to my understanding. We were only provided with 2 minutes of body-worn camera. So I'm renewing the request. I would also ask if you would sign a discovery order, Judge.
Would there be a need for me to sign a discovery order?
I believe at this point there would be, Judge.
Why?
This is the second time we've requested the materials for the case and still have not received them.
You go ahead. You
I
see.
was just going to say, defense counsel thinks that it's an appropriate time to request an order. She should be filing a motion. The facts are, we have complied with the request. We have gone out, requested the video, and I'm going to follow up with it again today. I mean, it's an ongoing process.
Well, here's what I understand. Please correct me if I'm wrong. You requested a different additional video, which is body cam.
And surveillance camera. That's correct.
Okay. They provided that, but you don't think that the people provided what was given to them to you.
Correct.
And then you don't think it was everything. And so now you want an order.
Yes.
That makes no sense to me. It would seem to me that they've been cooperative. And if you think that something's missing, they've agreed to follow up on it.
Okay.
So no, you don't get an order. And yeah, you would have to file a motion, but good luck with that under these circumstances. So how much more time did you need to check into that, Ms. Hughes, to try and determine?
I will check in today and I will let the council know all the responses that I get. So if we could do at least 2 weeks to make sure I basically to follow up.
Probable cause conference, May 23rd, 2024. 9 a.m. as their invite indicates. Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Court calls the case, People versus Anaya Haley.
Assistant Prosecutor Attorney Morgan.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Miss Anaya Haley. She's also present on Zoom.
All right. Ms. Haley, can you state your name?
Anaya Haley.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. What are you doing on this case?
Yes, Judge. I did receive discovery, both electronic and paper. So we're ready to set an...
You want an order too?
No, Judge,
No, never
not
mind.
at all.
Never mind.
I
My
have
bad. Never mind.
have a lot of it. A lot of discovery. But
Okay.
there's one thing I want to address.
Yes, ma'am.
I know that she would have to go somewhere else, perhaps in family court. The complaining witness has her child. He is perhaps is the biological father. However, he's not the legal father at all. His name is not on the birth certificate. And this is a young child. I believe that he does not have an appropriate house. He does not have a legal right to that child unless he files a paternity action. And she needs her child. She does not have her toddler child. Or did you, since I last spoke to you, Anaya? Do you have the kid?
No, I haven't had my baby since April 19th.
Have not.
I have not.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that CPS ordered the child to remain with the victim.
Oh. Did you hear that, counsel?
Yes, when they called CPS, CPS has no record of it. The police were supposed to call CPS, they don't. He doesn't have a legal right to the child. So because there's a case which they're not aware of, they weren't witnessing what was happening. They saw something that they interpreted a certain way. But, Your Honor, she does not have her child. He does not have a legal right to that child. He can't just take that child.
Okay.
And they can't just give that child, but they can't find the child. There's no arrangement for court for the child. There's nothing. She has no idea where her toddler child is.
Okay, so what would you like me to do?
All right, so I know that this is not family court. However, this...
Yeah, I know, but it felt like it there for a minute and I was about to run.
I know, Judge, I know. But, you know, I need like good faith efforts to be made. And furthermore, I didn't hear who the prosecutor was because she's in the courtroom and it's hard to hear on Zoom. So I could like at least communicate with her.
Miss Morgan Barroso.
Okay. All right. So I'll try and communicate with her. Try and see, you know, I know family court is a very long drawn out process, but she needs her kid ASAP. Thank you, Judge. So we'll just set an exam date now.
You have all your discovery?
I do. I have a lot of electronic as well as paper.
All right. And would the people have their witnesses available the 14th?
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
You said May 14th.
You can't do May 14th?
I could do it in the afternoon, Judge.
Well, I can't. I can only set it in the morning. What about
Okay,
the
Judge,
following
so-
week?
You know what? I will, one split second. I was gonna see. I think I can get that judge to. I can. The following week, I'll do it on May 14th, and I'll zoom into the other judge.
Okay. All
He's
right.
pretty flexible, so.
Preliminary examination in person, May 14th, 2024, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Burke.
Would it be in the same building as you, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Judge Burke.
He'll probably actually be in my courtroom.
Okay.
Well, no, he won't. He'll be next door.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bond
Thank you
continued.
very much. Thank you. Have a good day, everybody. We can leave the Zoom, Anaya.
Bye-bye.